Just starting week number 5. What's happening right now? It's been raining quite a lot these days, so we're still fighting our floodings. Plus we just start finishing the road. The access road is going through our land, so I will show you around what's happening. So this is the land situation. We found kind of solution, but still, because of the heavy rains these days, it's flooded today. Yesterday we really spent a lot of time cleaning Subak and leveling down a little bit the water levels, but today it's really heavy flow, so we cannot see much the difference. Also yesterday we had a really problem with plastic, as people up the stream were dumping probably their trash, so maybe in 1 minute we got like 100 plastic cups and bottles, so I emptied everything. And yeah, I can just show you. So yeah, I just bag full of plastic, so I need to find solution where we can bring all this plastic and make sure that it will not end up in the rivers. As you can see, I got eye infection just a few days ago, so I'm healing today. Yeah, here we start parking our motorbike, because the other day when we did this upgrade of the access road, it's working quite well. It's what we're gonna continue today as well. I just start moving gravel that was just already delivered, so the idea is to put it here and again cover it with wooden chips. Today we have helper, our friend Tim come here to helping us, and guys just digging near the bridge to put these big stones and make sure that when cars are coming they will not be dumped. We also got these stones delivered, big ones and small ones, and they will be like following the roadsides and make it nice and neat. So yeah, all this gravel needs to be spread today. Hey guys, how do you feel?
Hey, great. Oh, my back is breaking.
Every day he chunkling. Yes, that's our friend Tim. Yeah, so this is for now. Let's see how the progress gonna be today, if we're gonna have nice weather or if we're gonna end up with rain again. And I can also show you. Yes, yesterday they delivered us 400 pieces of vetiver grass, which looks like this. It's a very special plant. You can Google it. It has even own website, vetiver.org, and it's a plant that basically is similar to lemongrass, but has other properties than lemongrass, and it's good plant for protecting the soil from erosion. It has very deep roots, up to 6 meters. It's also filtering the water, so we're gonna put it around the land, around the Subak, just to clean the land a bit, to protect land from more water coming in and so on. We will see how it's gonna work. But yes, 400 pieces, so we might have some fun today. And yeah, let me show you our little one, our Nala. Yeah, she's really cutie. You see, she's just chilling around, helping us, making things nice and cute. And yeah, all the time I need to look for her because she all the time hiding somewhere. So this is for now, and let's see how the day is continuing. If not today, I will update you some other day. Okay guys, hello, good morning. Today is 6th of January 2021. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. We are back on our land. Yesterday we haven't been here because the weather wasn't very good, but we asked Agus, who is helping us here, to plant some vetiver grass that we received a few days ago, and we received 400 pieces. Probably it's much more than that, which we want to use like a fence around Subak. And wow, we just arrived and we are so surprised what Agus did yesterday, so I will share with you. So look at this. This is the vetiver grass, and we asked him to plant it across the land, like a fence, and he did really great job. Like he cleaned all the space, cut all the bushes, and yeah, just made it nice and clean, and it's so nice. Like the land looks so much better right now. So this is how it looked like from the other side. So it's, yeah, seems perfect, especially the grass that was dropped in this area. It giving us the notion how it gonna look one day when we growing grass here. And we just asked Agus to remove one palm clutch of bananas because yeah, we need more space and we don't need that much bananas. So he's doing it right now. And also we're expecting some manure to be delivered from horse stables. They should arrive in not too long, and it's gonna be first time that we're gonna get car on our newly built road. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it's gonna work and the car not gonna get stuck. So about that later. And yeah, we're gonna be busy today, a lot of planting, and let's see how it's gonna be, and I will update you later on. See you.
Well, we will plant this one.
Yeah, we just received horse manure from nearby stables. We're gonna use it for compost. And so we are very lucky that these guys from Kudapi stables are just like 2 minutes drives from here, so they can bring us horse manure every morning and we can just reuse it. It seems that Tongi really enjoying emptying the bags. Yeah, lot of gold. Just received wood chips from our neighbors who has like a fabric for wood, which is a really great source. Yeah, it's like this, so nice, and the smell is so good. So we use it like a coverage for gravel on this road. So yeah, it's almost done. Great. Yeah, and here's the horse manure that we received this morning. It's gonna be covered by tarp for a couple of weeks, maybe like 2 months, until it's gonna turn into beautiful soil, and after we're gonna put it on the raised beds here. Hopefully by the time we will be ready to plant some vegetables, and Tongi continue to plant some vegetable grass.
Hey, just separating the bunches. This plant is so nice to work with, has such a good vibe. I don't know, and since earlier I feel it's so alive, it's so willing to help. Can't even start talking about vetiver, there's too much to say, but it's a great mulch. It depollutes the soil. This can grow roots when it's established, like in a sun like this. It will grow roots of about 20 centimeters per day. You imagine, all the way up to about 6 meters down. So it stops erosion. It cleans the water that's underground. It punctures clay, which we have here, so that water can infiltrate better into the underground layers, so it stops flooding. I mean, it's too much. It's too much. Vetiver.org. Check it out.
Hello, it's almost end of the week. I will show you what guys did a couple of days ago. I took a little bit of break, and because the weather was really bad. So yeah, look at this. So this is the line of vetiver grass. Plus Agus did the separation by pieces of wood and pieces of coconuts, and it just looks so nice. So yeah, Agus and Tongi were really working on it. So most of the grass is already planted, and we will see what we're gonna do with the last few pieces, but I decided this is like a backside of the front part of the land. As you can see, all this is ginger and yam, but the ginger is so incredible. It's our neighbor's side, but yeah, the clean line of our land is well visible. And let's check what's happening on the other side of the land. So you can see on this side of the land the clear line as well in between the trees. I'm so grateful that guys did it, because this separation is necessary to kind of break the line between the jungle that is on this side and our land, otherwise the jungle would be expanding. So this vetiver grass should grow, let's see, maybe 1 meter or even higher, depends how much we're gonna cut it, but should be really nice fence in between both of the lands. And here I would like to show you, I was putting these sticks that actually doing the borders of the house. So you can see over there, over there, over there. So this is kind of the area where the house will be built, hopefully, and hopefully soon. So yeah, today I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Probably just cleaning the space, maybe planting some plants. Let me give some sunshine, and also we can check with Tongi. He is again cleaning a little bit subak, shoveling it out, and yeah, just make sure that the water flow is correct. So I will show you that. So here he goes again.
Now this is the last time. This is the end of the story of lowering this subak. Because last time I took away the hard clay. Now to just leave a few days for sediment to move around. And so now I'm picking up that sediment. But yeah, you can see it's flowing much better, much lower. The land is really not flooded the same way it used to be, so all good. Just last one, maybe just an hour and we're done.
Great.
Yeah, it worked.
Thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
I also wanted to show you this massive papaya plant that's gonna have first baby. Look at it. It's so cute, so small. I hope it's gonna last and it's gonna grow, and let's see if we might have another ones, because papaya can have multiple fruits at the same time. We have one more plant papaya here, but it doesn't do much. It has few flowers, so let's see. We have here one banana to harvest, and again our pond. It's not improving. I don't know what to do. It's so crazy. We will just have to fill the land and put the layer of soil to level it a little bit higher. But we have here this little canal that's extracting water outside. We have very technical improvement from Tongi, which seems working quite well. And yeah, this is the situation of today. I'm really happy that this palm surviving all the flooding that's happening here lately, and these ones are absolutely beautiful.